It's Sunday, the 28th of March 2021. The gate didn't open in the morning, and it opened once around 11 a.m. and now it's 1 p.m. It is not actually opening again. Looks like the same situation or symptoms. This switch, the toggle switch, is in a position. I haven't really touched it yet today because it seems to be this is the problem there. I don't know, so I'm gonna just manually open it. I'm just filming because something funny happened just now. I manually opened it with that, and I thought I locked the gate. Then I was coming to driving out, but then the gate started shutting slowly. So I'm just gonna try again opening the gate manually because I need to go shopping. Actually, I'm just gonna try instead to see if because the last time it closed automatically all of a sudden, which I wasn't expecting. I'm just gonna try to see if actually gate closes with the button. Yes, now it does. Okay, but it doesn't open. Oh, it does open now. Okay, so it looks like the gate is now working. All right, let's see.